Day 2 of snowfall. He's very happy. Hoppity hop bunny. Okay, come on over here. Over here. Over here. I can't go that far. Look at that. Day 2 of our snowfall. First snowfall of the year. So you gotta be careful here. I don't want the snow being dropped on my head by the front end loader. So yeah, he loves it out here. Come on, over here. Over here there. Come on, Hoppy. Come on. This way. Yeah. Get himself tangled up here. He loves it.
Brave, man.
Oh yeah, I know. I gotta watch. There you go. Hey, you like hopping around, eh? Hey, come on. Come on. Over here. Over here. Okay, come on over here there. Hey, we gotta go. I haven't got much time left on this. Yes, sir. I think it's December 17th today. Come on over here. Over here. Later. The Adventures of Harley and Me in the month of December 2022. See you folks later.